Hi guys, 大家好. We are making dry sand ginger chicken feet, 沙薑鳳爪. It's very easy and only a few steps to make. After thawing the chicken feet, we need to soak them in salt water for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our brine. We need ginger, dried sand ginger powder, salt, star anise, and sesame oil. In a pot, add 1 liter of water and add in all the ingredients. Bring it to a boil and turn the heat to the lowest, so slow that there's no bubbling at all. "30 minutes has passed. Put chicken feet in a separate bowl, add water, ginger, and Shaoxing wine. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for 5 minutes, and then wash them under running water. Now they are clean, put them in a bowl of water, bring it to a boil, and then lower the heat and let it simmer for another hour. One hour has passed, move the fish to the brine and let it cook for another hour. Now they are ready, and we should remove the nails before serving.